Children, to start with the construction of triangles, we need to do one more basic result. So let us first take care of the basic result, which we will be using in the main construction, and that main construction will be construction of triangles. Is that okay? Okay. Now see, suppose beta, I have this line segment AB, and I wish to draw its perpendicular bisector. I have a line segment AB and I wish to draw its perpendicular bisector. How do we do that? One time we will keep compass at A. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
An arc down, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Next time we need to keep the same radius. We will keep the compass at B and arc up. Is that so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And then where these two arcs are going to meet, we will join with the help of scale. Let me just do that. I'm not having scale, so randomly I'm just drawing it. All right. Now, wherever it is meeting, let it be point M. Let it be point M. Is that okay?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
now this M being perpendicular bisector, what does it mean? When I'm saying this is perpendicular bisector, let this be XY, ऐसे ही नाम दे देते हैं. When I'm saying XY is the perpendicular bisector of AB, what is the conclusion with us? That M is
AM is equal to MB.
Midpoint.
A is equal to MB. M is the midpoint. Also, do we have this angle equal this?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Each
90
degree.
Each 90 degree. Now, children, XY is perpendicular bisector of AB.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me take any point on XY. Any point. इस पूरी line में either upside or downside कोई point लेना. Let me take this point P. I repeat, I have taken a point on the perpendicular bisector. You may take downside also anywhere. Join this to the end points. What are the end points of the line segment?
A and B.
AB.
Join. Okay. I've joined to A and B. Now, in these two triangles, let us see if we have three conditions for congruency. Three conditions for congruency.
Yes, ma'am.
A and B, because
Yes.
this is point
Yes, ma'am.
each 90.
Angle AMP is equals to angle BMP.
And PM is
common.
common.
Ma'am, common.
PM. Angle M equal angle M. AM equal BM. And therefore, triangle APM is congruent triangle BPM, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These two triangles are congruent. Do I get
AP equal BP equal CPCT.
that these two are equal by CPCT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please see, I am going to play with the words now.
RHS.
I am going to play with the words now. आप बताइएगा if you are able to understand that or not. Does it mean that P is at equal distance? This one I am talking about. P is at equal distance from A and B.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children, instead of P, if I take any point Q here, any point R here, any point P here, any point on this line, will that point also be at equal distance from A and B using the same logic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
G. So can I say it in another words? That is, now instead of P, instead of P, I'm using the term that is any point on perpendicular bisector. P की जगह what I am writing now?
Any pointer.
Any point on perpendicular bisector.
Is equidistant. Now equidistant means at equal distance
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
from the end points. What are A and B? Are they end points?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm using this color. A and B are what?
End
End
points.
points.
Endpoints.
Whose end points are these?
Ma'am, line segment AB.
Ma'am, line segment.
Of line segment. Are you with me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you clear with this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That any point on the perpendicular bisector, if you draw perpendicular bisector of a given line segment, then you take any point on that line. You take any point on that line, that point will be at equal distance from the end points. This point will be at equal distance from these two end points. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This result we are going to use in the next important construction of the triangle. You don't have to prove it there. I have done the proof for your understanding. I've done the proof for your understanding. You don't have to prove this in the question. You just have to apply this result there in the construction of triangle. Clear?